get to our subscription databases, you have to go through the library website. We have password protected special links. Here are the links and the database names. So you can see ProQuest Central and JSTOR are two commonly used by colleges, and there's many others here. If what you're looking for is not in one database, you can search for it in another. They have different things from each other. ProQuest is a very large database with academic journals, newspapers, and magazines, so it's a good place to start. I'm going to show you some tips, including using the advanced search. It allows you to put in terms that need to be used together. So if I say Civil War and congressional legislation, I am going to find a search with those two things. 60,000 results. I'm going to modify that and put some in quotes. I'm going to put Civil War in quotes because I only want those terms together in that order. Congressional legislation, I'm not as concerned about. I'm also going to add a few things. I also want it to be American. So if I say and American, it has to have the term American in it. I'm also going to say and not reviews, because a lot of scholarly journals have book reviews in them. I'm also going to say full text because I only want the whole article. If I can only see a summary, it's not useful. I still have many results, too many, but I can limit it to scholarly journals, and that really brings down the total quite a bit. I can go down here and limit by publication date. I can limit by the subject. And so if I'm looking for something related to presidents or foreign policy, I can narrow down my results there. You can also look at publication title. That can help also. And if you're having trouble, please see a librarian. That's what we're here for. Thanks.